Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2023 Audi TT. The 2023 Audi TT has been named the Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, celebrated for its impressive performance, stylish design, and advanced technology. Renowned for its engaging driving dynamics and upscale features, the TT continues to be a standout choice for those seeking a high-performance sports car with a touch of luxury. Dynamic performance and handling. The 2023 Audi TT delivers a thrilling driving experience with its agile handling and robust engine options. The TT is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing rapid and smooth gear changes. The TT's standard all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, making it equally adept on twisty roads and in various weather conditions. The car's finely tuned suspension and precise steering offer exceptional handling and responsiveness, allowing drivers to enjoy a spirited and confident driving experience. Sleek design and upscale interior. The 2023 Audi TT is known for its sleek and aerodynamic design, characterized by its low, wide stance and distinctive angular lines. The car's bold front grille and LED headlights contribute to its sporty appearance, while the retractable rear spoiler adds a touch of performance flair. Inside, the TT features a luxurious and driver-focused cabin, crafted from high-quality materials such as leather and aluminum. The minimalist interior design is highlighted by Audi's virtual cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional gauges with customizable displays. The TT also includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Audi's MMI interface, providing intuitive control over navigation, media, and connectivity. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2023 Audi TT is equipped with a range of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies enhance safety while preserving the TT's dynamic driving character. Conclusion. The 2023 Audi TT's combination of exhilarating performance, striking design, and luxurious features has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and high-end interior, the TT remains a top choice for drivers seeking a sports car that offers both excitement and sophistication.